Hey, what's up, guys? How would you like to be able to watch free movies and TV shows right on any Amazon Fire Stick in just a few minutes? In today's video, I'm not going to show you just how to get one or two apps. I'm going to show you how you can have full access to dozens of applications that allow you not only to watch free movies and TV shows, but also free sports, live TV, pay-per-view, and much more. If you're interested to know how you can have all of these amazing apps on your Amazon Fire Stick in just a few minutes, well, just sit right there because I'm about to show you how to do all of it right now. All right, so you're ready for me to show you how you can enjoy all of your entertainment absolutely free. The first thing that we need to do is go into the Amazon App Store and search for just one app. The easiest way to do that is simply hit left on your remote until you highlight the magnifying glass. From there, push down and you'll be in the search bar. If you click the center button, it'll bring up a keypad allowing you to type out whichever application it is that you're looking for. Today, we're looking for an application called Downloader. I'll throw it on the screen as I begin to spell it. Now guys, I've only entered the very first letter and it has already appeared on my screen. There's no need to type out the entire word. All you need to do is slide down, highlight, and click right there where it says Downloader. It's then going to take you to the Amazon App Store to this bright orange app. Let's go ahead and open that together. Now, you're going to have the ability to download this on your device. Simply click the center button and the download process will begin. Give your system just a few moments for the download and the installation to both finish. Once both of those are finished, you'll see where it says Open. Now, I don't want to open it just yet. I want you to go ahead and click the Home button on your remote, because the next thing that we need to do is go and change one setting in our Amazon Fire Stick. And the easiest way to change any setting is simply slide over until you're on that icon right there, and this little menu right here will pop up on the bottom half of your screen. So what we want to do is we want to slide down here, and we're looking for something called My Fire TV. Let's go ahead and open that together. And now guys, right here, you're going to notice that I have developer options on my device. If for any reason you don't have developer options available on your menu, all you have to do is simply click right here on the word About. And then what you want to do is click the center button on your remote about 8 times. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll notice you get a little pop-up down here that says you are now a developer or no need, you are already a developer. Either way, once you've done that, go ahead and click the back button. And now you'll see that developer options is on this menu. Now that we all have developer options, let's go ahead and open it up. And we want to slide down and click on Install Unknown Apps. And right now, you'll see that Downloader is turned off. If you simply click your center button, just like that, you will be able to now turn Downloader on. All right, let's go ahead and click our Home button, because now what I want to do is go find that brand new application that we just installed on our device. The easiest way to find all of your applications is simply slide over until you're on that icon right there and click your center button. This will bring up every application on your device. And every time that you install a brand new app, it always goes to the very bottom of the list. So let's go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom. And as you can see, the last app that we have installed is Downloader. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now you will have a little pop-up. Just click your center button and that will go away. If you click your center button one more time and one more time, it'll bring up a keypad allowing you to type out whichever web address it is that you would like to visit along the internet. Today, I want to take us to one website in particular. I'll go ahead and throw the address on the screen as I spell it. All right, so now that you have that address entered correctly, just click the word Go. It's then going to take you to the unlinked website. If you notice this little red circle on my screen, When I push up and down and left and right, I get to control that little red circle. Let's go ahead and go down just a little bit because we're looking for that black box right here called Download APK Android. Now you can take this little red circle and put it anywhere on that block, and then click your center button. Now the download process will begin automatically. As soon as the download process is finished, it's going to ask for you to go through the installation. Simply slide over, click on the word install, and just like that, the installation is wrapping up. And when it does, I want to make sure that you click the word done. By clicking done, it takes you right back here. And this here is just the installation file. You don't need this file taking up valuable space on your Firestick. So we just need to slide over and click the word delete. We're going to slide over and click the word delete. All right, guys, that's everything that we need from Downloader. Let's go ahead and click the home button on our remote. Now we also need to go back into the settings to change one more settings. And if you remember from before, all you have to do is slide all the way over to the very end, and this menu will appear on the bottom half of your screen. We're going to slide down, and again, we're going to click on My Fire TV, and you're probably going to be right back in this menu. Don't worry, we're going to hit back, and we're going to click Install Unknown Apps, and now you'll see that Unlinked is on this list. All you need to do is click the center button on your remote and make sure that Unlinked is turned on. Now guys, this is a very important step to make sure that Unlinked and Downloader are both turned on. If these, for any reason, are not turned on, this process will not work for you. All right, so now that both of those are turned on, let's go ahead and click the home button on our remote. And again, we need to go find that brand new app that we just installed on our device. And remember, the easiest way to find all of your apps is to highlight that icon and click on it. It's going to bring up all of your apps. And if you remember from before, the newest app always goes to the bottom. So we're going to go all the way to the very bottom. And as you can see right there is the brand new app that we just installed. Let's go ahead and open that up together. And what we want to do right here is add a new library. So you just click your center button. You click your center button one more time. And a keypad will pop up, allowing you to enter the special code to this store. So guys, I have created my very own app store that I am giving exclusive access just to my viewers, where I offer you the very best apps when it comes to streaming for all of your movies, TV shows, sports, live TV, pay-per-view, and much more. And all I ask in return for all of my hard work, giving away all of this absolutely free to all of my viewers, is that you're kind enough to hit that subscribe button. That tells me thank you, that you guys appreciate all of the work that I put in. And I want to say thank you to everybody who has hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate all of my subscribers. All right, so now that you are a subscriber to the channel, go ahead and enter this code right here. All right, so now that you have that entered correctly, just go ahead and click the word next. All right, guys, so welcome to my app store. Now, if you're coming to my app store for something in particular, like movies, TV shows, live TV, sports, pay-per-view, I have a list of my top 5 applications right here so that you guys can check out these very specific apps. All right, so now that you've read this, go ahead and click the center button on your remote. All right, guys, so again, welcome to my store. Now, your store might look a little bit different than mine. All you need to do is simply click the center button on your remote one time, click it one more time, and it will break my store into different categories. So that way, if you're looking for live TV, there's a section for that. If you're looking for movies, there's a section for that. But I just wanted to show you a small example of how my store works and how to install all of the applications that you would ever want. All right, so right here is a very popular application. All you need to do is highlight whichever app it is that you would like to download and click the center button. And it's going to bring up this little menu that says download. Click your center button one more time, and the download process will begin automatically. Just like that, you'll see a little pop-up. Just click Install App. Slide over and click the word install. Then, when the installation is all wrapped up and finished, what it's going to do is bounce you right back into my store so that you can continue to download even more applications. All right, guys, let's do that one more time. We're going to highlight the application that we want to download. We're going to click our center button. We're going to click download. The download process is going to begin automatically. You'll see the percentage moving across. And once the percentage reaches 100%, then you're going to have a little pop-up asking for you to go through the installation process. All right, so now that we have the pop-up, just click Install App. Slide over and click the word Install. Again, give your system just a few seconds, and when the installation is finished, it's going to pop you right back into the store. Just like this. Now guys, you're already in the store. Please go check out all of the different applications that I have available, as each one of them will offer you something different. And again, download as many of these applications as you like. They're all free to download and free to use. All right, so now that you've downloaded everything it is that you want, let's go ahead and click the home button on our remote. Because the next thing that I want to do is show you how to get back and find all of those apps that you just downloaded. All you have to do is slide over to that little icon and click on it. And again, it's going to bring up all of your apps. And remember, the last apps we've downloaded always go to the bottom. So right here, I want you to highlight any of those apps that you might have downloaded. And while you're highlighted on them, I'd like for you to click the 3 dashes just to the right of the home button on your remote. And when you do, you'll get a little menu that pops up right here. Now you can click the word move, and then you can move left and right and up and down, and you can put this app anywhere that you want on this screen. But for today's demonstration, I want to put it up here at the very top. Once you've moved the app exactly where you want it, just click the center button and you'll drop it and put it right there. I want to go move a couple more. So I'm going to move this app. I'm going to hit the 3 dashes. I'm going to hit move, and I'm going to click and drop it. And I'm going to move one more. I'm going to hit the 3 dashes. I'm going to hit move, and I'm going to drop it. All right, so really quickly, let me show you what all of that just did for your device. Go ahead and click the home button on your remote. And right here from the home screen, this little bar, there are the brand new applications that we just installed. I wanted to make sure that my viewers had access to go back into my app store at any time so that you can try out the brand new apps or get updates to those apps that you absolutely love. Right here is the IPVanish VPN. It is by far my #1 recommended application when keeping you 100% safe and secure. And I recommend that each and every person install the IPVanish VPN and make sure that it's on before you ever open any of those applications from my store. So really quickly, let's go ahead and open that, and I'll show you how this works. All right, so welcome to the IPVanish VPN. Again, like I said, it's my #1 recommended application when it comes to keeping you 100% safe and secure. Right here, it's going to ask you for a username and password. If for any reason you don't already have a username and password, don't worry, I'm going to make it super easy for you to get one. All you have to do is open any internet browser and enter this address right here. Also, if you'd like to click in the description below this video or in the comments below the video, I'm also going to leave a link there. I have teamed up with IPVanish to give my viewers an exclusive discount you're not going to find anywhere else. If you want to get the biggest discount possible, make sure that you use this link or the one down below. Once you go to the IPVanish website, you can pick out whichever plan is going to work best for you. Once you do, they're going to email you your very own username and password to enter. I'm going to go ahead and enter mine, and I'll meet you in just a second. All right, so welcome to the IPVanish VPN. Right here, you can hit the button that says Begin Tutorial, or you can just hit the word Skip. It's then going to bring up a little pop-up. Just hit down and click the word OK. All right, guys, so welcome to the IPVanish VPN. Right here at the top of your screen, you can see that I am not connected. Now, really quickly, in order to connect to the VPN, I'd like for you guys to go ahead and slide down and highlight and click on where it says locations. All right, guys, so this right here gives you the ability to connect to a VPN all around the world. So if you want to connect to a country in particular, all you have to do is pick that country. I know a lot of my viewers outside of the US always want to connect to the US because of our TV programs, shows, and live TV. Now you can go through this list and pick whatever you want, or you can simply go right up here and click optimal location and let IPVanish pick the best location for you. For me, that's what I personally do. So I'm just going to hit connect, and I'm going to slide over and click connect. And just like this, you're going to see the country turn green, and you're also going to see that you're connected, and it's going to have a little timer telling you how long you've been connected. All right, so now that you are connected, just click the home button on your remote. The VPN will continue to run in the background, keeping you 100% protected. So then you can go and open up any of those amazing applications that you might have downloaded from my store. Guys, if you have not done so already, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. That tells me thank you for all of the hard work that I've put in to not only making these videos, but also for keeping the store up to date with the most amazing applications for you guys. And if you would like to, please give this video a thumbs up, ring the notification bell, but most of all, I would love it if you would share this video with all of your friends. That way, they also can enjoy all of this entertainment absolutely free, just as you do. All right, guys. Well, thanks again for spending your time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon in the next video.